Hey, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. Well, if you're trying to create realistic product photos, the worst mistake you can make is use only one model. So I've been getting much better results by combining different AI models and using them for what they're good at. Let me show you. I'm working in Firefly Boards because it's faster to experiment, but most of what you're seeing here also works with models inside Photoshop. So I'm going to give you a tip. I almost always start with Firefly Image 4 as my base image model because it's fast, it gives you 4 variations, and it's included with my subscription, so it's perfect for generating basic product shapes and ideas without burning credits. Think of this as your sketch phase. For this shampoo bottle, I started in Firefly 4 to generate ideas and got a bottle wrapped in a lock of hair. Then I switched to Flux 2 Pro to rotate the bottle, change the color to orange, and add a clean modern label. Finally, I used Flux Kontext Max to change the bottle to lavender, and this is where it really shines. You'll notice I gave it an image of the color as a reference. Flux Kontext Max does a great job at keeping logo and product colors consistent, and it even shows the color swatch in the result, which is incredibly useful. Important note here, you do need an image of the color for this, not just a hex code. For this soda can, I followed a similar flow. Firefly 4 for the basic can. I used Flux 2 Pro to add the brand and flying fruit, and this is where I used enhanced prompt in Firefly Boards, which really helps with more complex prompts. Then Firefly 5 to finish the lighting, the background, and overall polish. Firefly 5 is great for a final pass for realism, and it's one of the cheaper models, so I like saving it for the end. This perfume example shows where Nano 3 fits in. I use Firefly 4 for the base bottle, Nano 3 to add the logo and create a strong narrative look, and then Flux 2 Pro to place the bottle into a block of ice. Nano is incredible for inventing new imagery and storytelling, but I try to use it selectively because it's one of the more expensive models. Flux 2 Pro is great for combining images and creating a look. So instead of asking which AI model is best, I think the better question is, what part of the process are you in? Firefly 4 for speed, Flux 2 Pro and Kontext Max for realistic product mockups, Nano for narrative ideas, and Firefly 5 for finishing touches. If this workflow helped you, here's more AI product and branding tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe.